Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday evening. I'm all dressed up, glammed up, and ready to go grab dinner with my grandma and my aunt and her boyfriend, and then Keenan as well. I went a little bit bolder with the dark eye makeup today, and when I first put it on, you guys, I was like, oh no, I messed up my makeup. I hate this. Like, I wish I just stayed normal. Why did I go out of my comfort zone, even though I used to do it all the time? And then I finished the look and I was like, oh my God, I love it. I love it. It matches the vibe, and I feel like the look, it's what the look needed. So honestly, sometimes good things happen when you step out of your comfort zone. I spent the morning baking a blueberry lemon loaf. Honestly, roll the footage. The blueberry lemon loaf. This is what the inside looks like. I feel like it turned out so good. Here we go. Cheers.
That's good.
I feel like the loaf is really good. I would do a different icing next time.
So what is your icing now?
The icing this time was butter, powdered sugar, vanilla.
I would probably do powdered sugar and lemon juice.
And lemon. Lemon was in it. So I think next time I would just do...
I don't think I would do the butter.
I don't think I would add butter either. I would do lemon juice, the powdered sugar, and the vanilla.
I like that a lot.
That's what... It's really good,
That'd
though.
be good with coffee or something.
Yeah, it's definitely a morning, like, cake. Happy Sunday. Today we're hosting a little barbecue at the house, just a few people, and I wanted to bring you guys along, so let's go. It's Monday morning and we are starting off this week with a bang. This week is going to be so packed filled, so busy. Like every moment of the day is going to be used this week. For today's agenda, in about an hour, I have a Zoom meeting with LTK, link to know. After that, I have to go to the DMV and renew my driver's license because college really did a number on my driver's license and it is inusable. Last time I went to the airport, he was like, I literally cannot put your ID in the thing because it'll keep it. It's so damaged. So he was like, you need to go get a new one. So that's what I'm doing today. Going to go get my new ID. Hopefully, who knows with the DMV, I feel like something is always not the right information. So I just got out of the shower and I'm just gonna do some skincare and do my makeup before this meeting and try to do as much of my hair as I can. And I wish I had Alani drinks this week. We drank all of our like pack that we got from Costco and now we're out. And I feel like this week is when I really need an Alani. I feel like if I have an Alani in the morning and I have a busy day, like I will get everything done. Those really keep me going. And I want to make sure that my like makeup and hair looks really good because my old ID picture from when I'm 16 is so embarrassing. It is so embarrassing to stand there and like whatever you have to show your ID for, anytime, no matter what it is, I'm so embarrassed to show it because it's just like, I don't even look like the same person. My hair part is like all the way on my ear for whatever reason. I don't know, it's very like 16-year-old me, and the vibes are not the same now. So I'm actually really excited to get to retake the photo and then like actually look like my ID photo, because I feel like places always like question it, or they make me like, especially because my birthday's on Christmas. So my birthday's on Christmas, they look at my ID, it's all messed up. I look not even the same person, and it's like folded and dented, and then they're like, let me see your iPhone settings to see what your birthday is. And I'm like, oh my gosh. Honestly, I feel like it'll be worth it to just like buckle down and get a new ID. Okay, I'm back. Hair and makeup is done. I changed back into the top that I wore yesterday because I feel like for DMV picture, I feel like this is cute. It's white. I feel like white complements me well. I don't know, I just feel like this is gonna make a good picture. So I was like, you know what, actually I'm gonna put that top on. So let's go redo this ID, this driver's license that's been haunting me since I've been 16. It's Tuesday. There's 8 minutes left of Tuesday. Oh my God, I think I broke my toe. I was walking up the stairs with Keenan and my pants are like kind of loose. I'm just wearing like cargo pants. And I like caught my foot in my pants and then like kind of fell forward, and then my foot came out, so I kicked the like stairs really hard, like so hard. The toe that hit the hardest is my second toe, which when I was younger my foot got stepped on by a horse, and that second toe, it got crushed. Like the bone was like crushed into tiny pieces, and I had to wear a boot and like the whole deal, whatever. Anyways, so that toe has like always just been like weak. Like it's always just been a little problematic. I don't know if it fully healed. I don't know if toes fully heal from that kind of stuff. Like I don't even know. Anyway, so it was so painful, and I knew immediately. I was like, oh my God, I definitely broke my toe. Which, if you guys knew, this is the most inconvenient time to break my toe. Like, I don't know, you guys will understand in next week's vlog why this is so inconvenient. I don't know, it's like swollen, it hurts to walk on. Like, I just like, no, I don't know. Or I'm really dramatic, or I'm being really dramatic right now, and tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and my toe's gonna be fine. And there's one thing I've learned about myself over the years, is that I know my body, and if I know something's up, something's up. I just have been proven correct too many times in that exact situation, and especially because I have broken that toe before, I know exactly what it feels like, and it feels like that. We're just gonna power through. If I wake up tomorrow and it still hurts, and it still hurts to walk on, then I'm just gonna like buddy tape it to my third toe. Anyway, so moral of the story on today, I either broke my toe or I'm being really, really dramatic right now. I would say I guess we'll see, but we're not gonna go get an x-ray, so we won't see. Anyway, I redid my nails and painted my toes. So I did the Nicki Minaj Pink Friday nails. These ones, they were originally like super long, and I just kind of like filed them down to my liking. But yeah, Nicki Minaj Pink Friday nails sent me gifting of this pack and this pack, which these are so stunning, but I really want to like sit down and take my time with those, so I'm gonna wait to do those. If you guys know me, you know I'm a barb, so getting gifting from Nicki Minaj's Pink Friday nails was like, pff, I'm in love, of course. So that was really exciting, and they're like really good quality. Like they're strong, they're sturdy and thick and like gorge. On that note, my eyes are like literally bloodshot from like the pain. I don't even know, I kind of see, like, look at how bloodshot my eyes are. But on this note, I'm gonna go to bed. It's been a long enough day, and I feel like it'd be better to just go to bed and be off of it and let it heal a little bit. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Anyway, love you guys, see you in the morning. It is Wednesday. I'm about to run into Target right now. I'm in the parking lot right now. Keynes is with me. We're just about to go run a bunch of errands together. I figured you might want to come join.
We're about to get it done.
Yeah, we have quite a few errands actually, and then we're gonna meet up with Dylan and grab Salt and Straw, which is like ice cream. I don't know, I think Salt and Straw is just an Oregon thing. When I go into Target, I'm gonna get some teeth whitening strips for us because we shared our last box, so each of us didn't use like the full thing, you know what I mean?
We did the half deal.
But I feel like it's helping. I used to have like really, really white teeth, and then I noticed they weren't as white anymore, and I was like, immediately we must go get.
We must
fix that.
We must go get it fixed.
Okay, let's go into Target.
See now.
I went in. I was gonna film. There was a ton of people in there, and then I got nervous and didn't want to get kicked out for filming.
So like I was just chilling. We were actually just like at Target and stuff, and we just cruising. I was just playing some drinks.
These are the whitening strips. I've tried different ones like a few years ago, like in high school I think, but these are just the ones that they had in stock when we went to get the first box, and we split the first box. So now we're splitting this one too, and then that'll equal like a full treatment. But yeah, this is the one I got. I actually really like it. You can see the results, but on just half a box too. So, okay, next stop. Now we're at the PO box, and Keaton's gonna ship out a package. I'm just gonna check if there's anything. I'm gonna go pick this up. It's from BDK Perfumes. Oh my gosh, a handwritten letter. Dear Alyssa, we hope our rouge smoking transports you to the magical district of Pagali, and that you will have a wonderful time wearing it. Handwritten notes are like the sweetest thing ever, and I keep all of them.
Lace Royale.
Bunch of samples.
That smells good. Oh, this smells too.
I think there's samples
Smell
of... I think because there's a ton of like little samples. Oh my gosh. And then the big one. I'm gonna have to go through this when we get home because there's a lot of little pieces in there that I don't wanna lose. Okay, off to our next task. What is our next task?
We're meeting Dylan.
Dylan just dropped an absolute bombshell on us. Hi. Stop.
Oh my god, this is the
gosh,
cutest
you are the
thing.
cutest.
I'm actually glad you got it now.
I'm so happy.
Yeah.
He's just little. He doesn't. This is like as big as he's gonna get.
What,
Gosh.
really?
His mom's only 5 pounds. His dad's 4 pounds.
Oh,
He
that
loves
is
you, huh?
so precious. I have updates for you guys. Today was a crazy day. We got so much done today, but I wanted to give you guys an update on my toe because I gave you guys this whole speech yesterday about how I thought my toe was broken, and then I never updated you. So right now my toe is about 2 times the size that it normally is, and in this very moment it's numb. I can't feel it, and it isn't that painful. Like, there are moments throughout the day where I'm like, oh, like I stepped wrong and that kind of hurt, but other than that, like, it's fine. I think I'm just gonna buddy tape it. So I don't know if I was being dramatic yesterday, but something is definitely up with it. Like, it's swollen, numb, occasionally hurts, and it was throbbing yesterday and was huge, and it's purple. So yeah, I don't know. I think the double the size and it being purple and it has that numb kind of feeling and then occasionally feels that pain, it really brings me back to when I broke it. So I honestly think it is, but I am in no place to be making a doctor's executive decision, you know what I mean? I'm fine, survivable. I've been through much worse. It'll all be okay. Next, I cannot believe Dylan got a little poodle. He surprised us with that. We knew, in all the years that I've known Dylan, he has always wanted a toy poodle. So we knew that that was gonna happen eventually. Was I expecting it to happen today? No. But am I so happy that I got to meet him? Yes, oh my gosh. And they have such a cute, incredible bond together. it's amazing and I'm so happy for him. Also, the perfume they sent me is fantastic, you guys. I sprayed one spray on my hand just to like see what the smell was. I sprayed it on. This scent is supposed to have like kind of like a cherry vanilla vibe. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, and it actually lasts. Like I was like able, just with that one little spray on my hand, I could smell it, and it smells so good. It smells so luxury and rich. I was like, oh my gosh. And then I'd like do something and I would get a whiff and I'd be like, oh my gosh, that smells so good. So if you guys are looking for perfumes, they also sent me a bunch of sample sizes. I haven't tested out any of those yet because I was so excited to try this one. So I'll keep you guys updated on what I think my favorite scents are from like all the ones that they sent, but I know for a fact that I love this one. So yeah, this one's in Rouge Smoking from BDK Parfums. Amazing, fantastic, luxurious. I love it. I wanted to end this vlog here because tomorrow we're getting on a flight.